What? Beep. Are you hearing this?
Yeah, beep.
They should do something.
What should we do?
You should tell them. You should tell them to stop because I'm not listening.
Hey, guys, that is so not cool. You should stop using that language.
You're not the boss of us. Well, you still should stop.
I agree with them.
Well, you can't.
Hey, you guys shouldn't be swearing.
Well, you can't tell me what I can and cannot do.
Hey, Roxanne, didn't we learn not to swear in Sunday school?
Yeah, I guess we did. I guess I'll try harder not to swear anymore. I'm sorry. Hey, that was a really good job. That took a lot of courage to tell them to stop. Great job.